Looking for a schedule management tool that helps you create, update, and manage schedules for your team? In today's tech tip, we will cover Microsoft Shifts. Whether you're a manager or an employee, you can use Microsoft Shifts to keep your team organized and on track. Creating schedules with Shifts, you can easily create, edit, and manage schedules. The schedule displays days at the top, team members appear on the left, and assigned shifts appear in your calendar. You can easily see who's working when and where. You can also organize your team by creating groups. You can name a group like a job type or location, making it easy to keep your groups organized. Shifts. When creating shifts, you can choose where to add a shift. You can create it from scratch or copy an existing one. Each schedule has an open shift row where you can add and open shifts that anyone can request. With Time Clock, your team can clock in and out of shifts using a mobile device. This makes it easy for them to keep track of their hours and for you to monitor their attendance. You can also review requests for time off, shift swaps, or offers. You can easily approve or reject these requests, making it simple to manage your team's schedules. Tags. Shifts also includes the use of shift tags. These tags allow you to quickly communicate with anyone currently on the shift, making it easier to manage your team. Now share. Once you've created a schedule, you can share it with your team so everyone is up to date. No more guessing who is working, when, and where. In conclusion, Shifts in Microsoft Teams is powerful and easy to use schedule management tool. Whether you're a manager or an employee, you can use Shifts to keep your team on track and organized. So give it a try today. Thank you for joining in on today's tech tip, and we'll see you next time.